Welcome to our page. I'm Evan, I'm an EMT.
I'm Anna, and we're the owners of Go Bags Prepping.
I'm more the visionary for the business, so I create the packs and do the research, and also I'm going to do the educational videos showing you how to use the different stuff.
I do pretty much everything else, so I do customer service, work on the website, help with technical situations, and just the day-to-day paperwork, stuff like that.
So when I was looking at the market, I was pretty unimpressed with the products that were being offered, and I started to think about my own family safety, and I started to think about the things that I would include, and I saw really a big gap in the market to be able to provide the same thing to other people.
For the future, we have several different ideas. In addition to our basic trauma med kit, we've got 24-hour survival kits, 48-hour, 72-hour, hopefully all in the works, and then some natural disaster kits, things like that. So we'll see where it goes. We're starting off with the basics for now and doing our research to figure out what the next step is for us and making some plans for that.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we're always adding new stuff.